My name is Grace Taylor Richardson, and I'm a qualified lawyer in Singapore, and I've recently just passed the QLTS assessments. I qualified as an Advocate and Solicitor of the Supreme Court of Singapore in 2010 and 11, and have recently joined Wasco Brown Solicitors in their corporate department. I decided to take the QLTS because it enabled me to practice as a qualified solicitor in England and Wales. I was offered a full-time job here and had to manage my work and revision for the QLTS. I felt that the preparatory course would greatly benefit me in terms of support, flexibility, and time management. My experience with studying at QLTS School was that it had a very flexible and structured program. It gave me the opportunity to revise maximally, to sit for the examinations, and at the same time meet the demands of my job. That was what I felt was really, really helpful. The most beneficial aspect for me in terms of the QLTS School was the one-to-one mentoring program, which provided by my tutor. She was really helpful, she was always at hand, and she gave me the best advice, allowing me to better revise and prepare myself for the examinations. Time management is the most important thing, that's what we have to do even in our jobs. So I would say if you work a full work week, so try to spend at least 1 to 2 hours a day studying or going through what you've gone through, and try to set aside about 5 to 6 hours over Saturdays and Sundays to revise for the course. That I think, and probably over a period of 6 to 9 months, I think that would just about be sufficient. My firm was extremely supportive of my studies. They gave me very generous study leave. They were also mentoring me when I had cold feet. They could understand how I felt when I was having to sit for the examinations. I'm currently employed as an international corporate solicitor. Well, I'm soon to be international corporate solicitor in the corporate department. I handle my own caseloads, and I help to develop the corporate department within my firm. I assist my partner, Kylie Tan, who is a partner and head of commercial and corporate department. QLTS School has definitely enabled me with the skills to practice in England and Wales. And I think this qualification, being dual qualified, allowed me to position myself in the legal industry. So in that aspect, I think that was really, really helpful. A preparatory course is definitely a must if you want to embark on a conversion course of this standing. I think that the assessments were very demanding, were very challenging, and I do not think I would have succeeded without the preparatory course. I think everybody's study curve is different, but I would definitely think that about 6 to 9 months on a full-time, part-time basis would be the way forward. I think that whilst it was challenging, it was also a learning experience, and it's definitely a good badge to have. I'd recommend the QLTS to all foreign lawyers, really, who wants to qualify in England and Wales. Yeah, it definitely opens lots of doors to you, and it would definitely be beneficial in your career. I think the skills of a modern lawyer would probably be, in my perspective, presentation, professionalism, and dedication to what we are doing, believing in what we are doing. And I think delivering of the service is extremely important as well.